To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
The mutant Omicron has raised fresh concerns in South Africa, as the country recorded 1,655 infections and 25 deaths on Friday. The South African Health Ministry says it is witnessing a sharp increase in new cases, particularly in children under 5 years.
Probability that clinicians are admitting patients as a precaution while there are beds available, and so more young children are being admitted, whereas later in the wave they wouldn't meet the criteria for admission.
South African health authorities say while the incidence is still low in children, however, it is now second highest in those under 5, next only to the incidence rate in those above 60. Gauteng province, which is the worst hit with up to 80% of daily infections, health officials are on high alert. Hospital admissions have been dominated by those who are not vaccinated and young people below 40. Back in India, the urgency of children's vaccination is still under a cloud, as experts continue to raise questions.
That's very worrisome, that we don't have anything for children yet. And we should try everything in our power to actually get it ASAP so that kids can be protected, because it's going to be also devastating if children get infected.
If you want to save our pediatric age group, other than COVID appropriate behavior, get yourself vaccinated. You should have 100% adult coverage, and we should approve pediatric vaccine as soon as possible, vaccinate them.
But Centre is dragging its feet over the issue. Zydus Cadila Zycov-D vaccine was meant to be the arsenal against COVID for children. Even Bharat Biotech's Covaxine for children is awaiting approval from drug regulatory authorities.
Well, the Indian government is on the view that children's vaccination is not a priority at the moment, and the second dose coverage remains most important in the country. The data shows that even during the Delta variant spread in the country during the second wave, children remained asymptomatic. There were some cases of MIS-C with complications, but that number was very low. But in the light of the recent Omicron mutant that has entered the country, concerns persist on children's vaccination and how soon can India work towards it to stay a step ahead of Omicron. With Ashwini Helen in New Delhi, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.